Hello and welcome to Module 3. In Module 3, we're going to make the home page or the landing page for your website. While the goal for Module 2 was to come up and just show that you can make a website and pick a platform. On this module, we're really going to hone in on making that landing page, the first page that people will see when they enter your site. As always, we begin each module by looking at the page on the course website. In this module, I'm going to point out something near the end, usually, of a page, which is an entry on most pages that will say, check yourself. We have standards, rubric, and common issues. So I think it might sometimes be a good idea to get in the habit of reading this. This tells you what we're really looking for. So it's sort of 5 criteria for making a home page. Readability, color and contrast. We're looking for clear, effective navigation, good use of multimedia, and if you have any images, to attribute them to the source. So get in the habit of reading this section before you do each assignment. And then go about creating your homepage. And remember, you can always go back and you can look at the portfolios from last semester if you need some inspiration on your homepage. Things to keep in mind, you want to think about who your audience is. So if you think your website might be seen by parents, that might be a different homepage than one that might be seen by family or by children. Always keep in mind the rubric. Always keep in mind that this is a work in progress. We don't expect perfection. We'll start using the feedback notebook for this. You can always look at examples. And you should also start to think about how the navigation on your website will work. So start designing some menus, put some placeholders for some of the future pages that are coming up. And you can see these on the modules. So, module 4, you're going to have an essay. In module 5, you're going to have a resume. In module 6, you'll do a showcase page. So start thinking about where those pages might go in your menus bar or your navigation system and start attending to that. And we have the standard stuff about posting a video reflection in Flipgrid, responding to peers, and about updating the share tracker. What's new this module will be feedback and assessment. Here, we will give you your first feedback on your homepage. And so you can look for that in the feedback notebook. You can check back there to see when we do feedback. I also mention in the share tracker when I give you feedback. So there's a column that tells you when I give you feedback. And you can go look at that feedback and make your edits accordingly. Last but not least, I want to alert you to pieces of Flair. So pieces of Flair are an idea that you're going to have 3 pieces in your portfolio that are unique to you and your website. Everybody's going to have a resume. Everybody's going to have a showcase. And we don't want all the websites to be the same. We want some individuality. So pieces of Flair are a list of things you can optionally put in your website that fits you. You're going to have to do 3 of these throughout the semester. And the first one will be due in module 5. So read about pieces of Flair. See the options we have for you. And you're always welcome to design your own option. But it's time to start thinking about what are some pieces you'd like in your portfolio. So that's it for Module 3. We look forward to seeing your home pages and look forward to engaging with you through the feedback notebook.